Here we go, fellas. Doing a video this afternoon. Just got through putting the angled arms back on the QAV, as you can see here, and noticed something was a little different. This motor right here is getting a little warm. Plus, you know, it's having some jerking motion in it. I turned on the transmitter here. As you can see, it's on Qav250. No settings has been messed with or anything. I just kept it the way it's been. Just went into the open pilot and just put 10 degrees on the setup for the 10 degrees angle motors. As you guys can see, that's a little loose because I took and loosened some of the screws out in that bad boy. Hold on, put this phone down here for a second. Tighten this back up here, because at first I thought maybe I had my other screws in there too far up in here for where it wouldn't turn, but that's not the case. Plus, I don't have the wires down there pinched or anything like that, so that shouldn't be nothing of the issue. I'm going to go ahead and cut this twist tie right there just in case, which you guys can see there's nothing that's should be making it act crazy or anything. But anyway, I got the transmitter on. Just go ahead and try to plug this bad boy up in here. Maybe set the phone down here, maybe. Okay, now I got it plugged in, as you guys can see. Turn it off. The light's flashing right there. Now it is initialized. Now this is a funny thing what's tripping me out here, guys, because here lately I don't know what it is. But watch, you usually supposed to just push over to the right, to the left, and it initialize it. I'm sorry, and motor should be ready to spool up. So let's see if I can kind of get both of these in picture here.
Launch mode.
Okay, see the light flashing, ready to go.
Launch
Look at
mode.
there. No power. No, I'm gonna do it again.
Mode.
And there she goes right there. Now, you guys are watching, see, it's gonna be this motor right here. See, I'm right there. Move it up half throttle. You hear it? It's this motor right here. At full throttle now. I can smell it now. Yep, you can smell it, and it's getting a little warm right there. And that one right there is cool. That one's cool, and that one's cool. But for some reason, this one is getting hot. And you guys can see that's where the throttle is. And that's what I'm getting right there, guys. So I haven't, like I said, I haven't went in and messed with anything except for in the open pilot to where I just had to click on here on the open pilot, and I just added the get my cord here so I can show you guys once it uploads. Okay, now plug my wire in. Alright, now you see it's going to pull up down there on the bottom. Boom, there we go. Let's go to the flight data, and looky there. That is weird, man. Oh, it's because I got them. Yeah, see. You guys can see that's what the model is doing. So if I turn it this way, which is supposed to be straight, you guys can see on here straight. I got my 10-degree angle right there, because before I went in and went to configuration and go to my my attitude, and I typed in right there before I had typed in my 10 degrees, and I would hit save, and I would hit level, and once I hit the level button right there to let that bad boy level, I'm gonna show you guys what it does. And this is what I noticed why when I was in some of my videos that I'm flying, when I'm saying I'm pulling back on the sticks and it's still going forward. As you guys, well, it's not doing it right there now, but for some reason it will show it going back into, oh, let me do it this way. Put the 0 back in there. Click save. Now, see that? There it goes. It's going down 10 degrees. For some reason, I don't know why it's doing that. When it's supposed to be on, when it's on 0, when I had my motors on there just regular mounted up on 0, and that's what it would be doing to me in flight. So, like I said, I went back in and typed in 10, and I clicked save down here at the bottom. And basically what that does, do not hit the level button, because once you do that, it automatically is supposed to take the quad right here and go up into its 10 degrees angle when it's supposed to go. But yeah, guys, as you can see, that's the only thing I did to it since I put the angle arms on there. So I'm not for sure why. Those are my settings right there. That's my rate mode right there. In advanced, those are the settings right there that I'm running right there. My PIDs in bank 1, as you guys can see, in rates, stabilization, and attitude mode. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm running, and yeah, I think I'm just kind of figured it out. I think my motor's going bad, and just got through checking my deal on Get FPV when I bought the quad. I guess my warranty is actually didn't went out now, so it went out on the 15th, and was trying to call him, and couldn't get through to them. They were closed, and then yesterday they were closed for the holiday, and you call again today and nobody answers the phone. You just have to leave a message. But looked up on the website and it shows that I'm out of warranty. My warranty expired on the 15th. So that's 3 months of warranty you get on these bad boys. But it's all good. All I have to do is just purchase another motor. Hopefully that'll stop the issue, because the motor, like I say, is getting warm and you can smell it heating up. It was smoking on me a little bit earlier. And but yeah, guys, that's the problem right there. And like I say, I'm gonna have to order another motor for this bad boy. But thanks for watching.